On clean skin, apply a thin layer across your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Don't panic if it stings at first, that's normal. Hi, my name is Neha and I'm applying the Pumpkin Enzyme Masque from Banish, a 10-minute wash-off mask that smooths and brightens the skin. It combines natural pumpkin enzymes, AHAs and glycolic acid to gently dissolve dead skin cells, unclog pores and reveal that fresh post-facial glow without any of the downtime. Now let me be honest about how it feels. The first 2 minutes sting a little for me, especially around the nose and mouth. That's a definite tingling sensation that lingers while it's on. But after a couple of minutes, it becomes more comfortable and totally manageable. What makes this mask so effective? The pumpkin enzymes work on the surface to loosen up dead skin cells, while glycolic acid and AHA penetrates a bit deeper to smooth texture and tackle dullness. Together, they create an exfoliation that leaves the skin feeling instantly refreshed and silky. By the way, if you've never used enzyme masks or chemical exfoliants at home, you will likely see a noticeable brightness right after using this. This is for first-time users. But for me, because I regularly use enzyme and AHA-based products, I don't always see that dramatic instant glow every single time. And I think that's important to share honestly. It works beautifully, but the results can be more subtle if your skin is already used to these kinds of treatments. That said, over time you can expect smoother, softer texture, reduced appearance of post-acne marks and hyperpigmentation, clearer pores and fewer blackheads, and an overall refreshed, more even tone. This isn't just exfoliation, it's more than that. Glycerin keeps the skin plump and prevents dryness. Vitamin E and vitamin C give antioxidant protection and a brightening boost. Organic rosemary leaf extract calms inflammation and reduces redness. It's strong enough to make a difference but kind to your skin barrier, which is why it works for me even with my combination skin that tends to be a little sensitive. It works for oily, combination, dry and normal skin types. If your skin feels rough, congested or just lacks that glow, this can help. And if you're dealing with mild post-acne marks or uneven tone, using this regularly may help your skin look clearer and more even. Also, think about those times you've just come back from a vacation. Your skin has been through a lot. Long hours in the sun, constant travel, no time for proper exfoliation, late night catching up with old friends, planning activities for the kids, and just trying to make the most of your trip. When you finally get back home and want to give your skin some love, this is the perfect post-vacation ritual. And when I rinse it off, my skin feels super soft and hydrated. This mask has glycerin and other barrier-friendly ingredients. So instead of that dry, tingling, tight feeling most exfoliating masks leave behind, my skin feels plump and moisturized, which I really love. For someone like me whose skin often feels dry after washing, this is such a nice change. Follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. I'm using my Vichy Phyto Solution Moisturizer, which works perfectly well after this, and layering another ceramide-based Illune Ceramide A2 Concentrate Moisturizer just makes my skin feel even better. And that's it. In just 10 minutes, my skin feels smoother, hydrated, refreshed, and just better than before. If you're looking for an enzyme mask that gently exfoliates while keeping your skin soft, this one is worth trying. Just keep in mind it stings. Have you ever used an enzyme mask before? Did you feel that initial sting too? Drop your experience in the comments. I would love to hear. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real-life skincare reviews like this. I'll see you all in my next videos. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.